Ain't none of it. You see how me sexy and me have a little cute face. Nothing them not have over me. So can't watch me style and not chat out and hide them away. What I'm gonna do? Big up my team member them here, Ramesh Entertainment. They don't know say I'm a brother and a year today. So that means you're my second yard this. Alright? So I'm gonna ask a question now. What are the independent ladies getting there? Alright. So I'm to the girl they will work and save them money and come around come spend the people they man money. How do me around me? Drop it again. Not them now go away. I should see ya. Jump. Yeah, see all me sexy and me have a little cute face. Nothing them not over me. So you watch me style and I chat out and find them away. Nothing them not over me. If a girl a ball and me no care. If a girl and me no care. The way take me anytime anywhere when me sit down and you like a cheer. Me walk up here for a girl and hear me and still a man over me. See a man with your own some good time for your bird. You got your ring, and still a man over me. And you know I know me, I ain't everything but if I don't come on like you in this ring. That's what I'm doing. If you're Gaza, come and hear you say Gaza. I don't know I'm going to come here and perform a busking. Drop it. Ain't nothing there. Ow! Jump. I can't give one a song selection of my own. Voila. Nanny feel over there. All of the real bad man, they hear the bus of love. All of the man, they in Nanny feel on the street, they hear the bus of love. Alright, all of the man, them on the top, they might know nobody can this, so now look them straight in their face and tell them this.
Command up your mother, kings and your man, take from the man grabber. Who moves up the Chinese in another? Right on the face, you think right grabber. You don't feel the body fagger. Tell me, say, you can't say you can't bother.